Join me on our tour of this house surrounded by nature. Welcome to Casa Jacarandas. Located 165 Calle Jacarandas in Nuevo Vallarta, the single-level home is set within a gated community with controlled access and security. With potential for private dog and preparation for a second level, the property offers 2 bedrooms plus a flex space, 2 full bathrooms, and fully equipped kitchen, a spacious living room, and generous patio with a lab-style pool. We begin with the flexible space currently staged a small bedroom. This area can easily be transformed into a studio office or creative studio, adapting to your lifestyle needs. Next, a full bathroom serves both visitors and the flex room, as well as another secondary bedroom. The living room opens natural to the patio, filled with daylight and designed to connect indoor comfort with outdoor living. The kitchen is fully equipped, offering modern functionality for everyday living. Adjacent to it is a spacious laundry room for added convenience and practicality. The second bedroom provides generous space and abundant natural light, making it an inviting retreat for family or guests. The primary suite is bright and spacious, featuring its own full bathroom and direct access to the patio, creating a private secondary with a seamlessly indoor-outdoor living. Check out this amazing terrace with its lap pool. Finally, the expensive patio becomes the centerpiece of the home, with plenty of space for entertaining, relaxing, and enjoy the outdoors. At its center, a lap pool creates a private retreat designed for both leisure and fitness. Just 5 minutes away, the beach of Nuevo Vallarta offers golden sands, calm waters, and plenty of space to relax, swim, or enjoy the ocean. It's the kind of place that makes every day feels like a getaway. Only a short drive away, Paradise Plaza offers convenient shopping, restaurants, cafes, and everyday essentials, all in one location. Travel is simple from Casa Jacarandas, with Puerto Vallarta International Airport just 20 minutes away, providing easy access to destinations across Mexico, the USA, and Canada. The Nuevo Vallarta Marina brings together waterfront dining, boating, and vibrant coastal atmosphere, making its favorite destination for both residents and visitors. Living at Casa Jacarandas is about more than owning a home. It's about enjoying a lifestyle that puts everything you need with easy reach. Back at home, solar panels help in provide energy efficiency, while the 2-car garage adds convenience and practicality to everyday living. If you'd like to see more properties like this one, subscribe or visit maxlifepb.com. Thank you for watching.